If you're still spending hours or days staring at spreadsheets, manually counting fixtures and guessing at material costs, you're losing money, and worse, you're losing time. The construction industry is changing fast. Projects are getting more complex, margins are getting tighter, and the old way of estimating just isn't keeping up. But there is a better way, and today I'm breaking down exactly how you can use AI to estimate your construction projects. I'm going to cover how it works, the exact steps to implement it, and why contractors using AI are winning more projects without burning hours behind a screen. Let's get into it. So what does AI in estimating actually mean? This isn't about robots taking your job. It's about using smarter tools to figure out costs, materials, and labor more accurately. Traditional estimating tools only do exactly what you tell them. And if you make a data entry mistake, and let's be honest, up to 88% of spreadsheets has errors, the software won't catch it, but AI tools actually learn over time. They look at past projects, pricing trends, and real-world data to help you build better estimates. This shifts estimating from just running numbers to actually managing risk. You catch problems early before they eat into your profit. AI doesn't replace you and your experience. It backs it up with better data and fewer blind spots. Taking a look under the hood, there are four main things powering this. So first, computer vision. This lets AI look at blueprints, recognize symbols, and build quantities automatically. Second, natural language processing. It reads dense contracts and specs to pull out material requirements and compliance codes. Third, predictive and analytics. It looks at market trends to forecast where costs are headed. And finally, machine learning. The system learns from every job you run, getting sharper and more accurate over time. So how do you actually use this in your day-to-day workflow? Bringing AI into your process doesn't have to be complicated. Here is a step-by-step playbook. Step one, automate your takeoffs. This is the easiest win. So instead of manually measuring runs and double-checking your plans, you upload drawings into the AI tool. It scans the plans, picks up doors, windows, square footage, and builds your quantities automatically. You still review it, sure, but you're starting from 90% done instead of 0. This alone saves massive amounts of time. Step number 2, get smarter pricing. So once your quantities are set, AI helps tighten up your numbers. Instead of relying on old data or gut feel, AI pulls from current pricing trends. For example, platforms like Handoff integrate directly with suppliers like Home Depot or Lowe's to pull live store pricing right into your estimate. You're bidding based on what's happening right now, making your bids safer and more competitive. Step 3, clean up sub bids faster. So AI lines up subcontractor bids side by side and calls out anything that just looks off, like missing scope or pricing anomalies, before they turn into change orders. And finally, step 4, catch problems before the job starts. AI flags historical patterns that tend to blow budgets, like seasonal delays or labor shortages, which allows you to build in those important contingencies right up front. Now, I know what you might be thinking. So this all sounds great, but does it actually work in the real world? The short answer is, of course. The ROI on AI estimating shows up incredibly fast. Most teams using AI are saving 15 to 20 hours per week per estimator. That is time that you can put toward bidding more projects or actually managing your projects. Furthermore, companies using AI-led pipelines are seeing up to 310% higher bid win rates. Take this commercial contracting firm, for example. A team of 8 estimators shifted to using AI and went from spending 50% of their time on manual takeoffs down to just 10%. Over a year, believe it or not, that saved them nearly 14,000 hours, putting about $1 million back into the business. For residential GCs and remodelers, speed wins jobs. With AI, you can build estimates from a quick scope or a walkthrough, giving homeowners solid numbers faster, sometimes right on the spot. If you're ready to make the jump, you need the right tool. But not all AI estimating softwares are built the same. So when choosing the right platform, you got to ask yourself a few questions. So does it integrate with my current systems? Is it actually easy to use? Like, what's the learning curve? Can I see how it calculated the numbers? And is it built for my specific type of work? For large commercial firms, tools like Procore or Autodesk are heavy hitters. But if you're the residential game, contractor, remodeler, handyman, you need something built for your workflow. That's where Handoff AI comes in. It's an end-to-end solution that handles AI estimating, scheduling, client communication, all in one place without the enterprise level complexity. But be careful. So when you start using Handoff, you want to avoid some common mistakes. Number 1, feeding it bad data. Garbage in, garbage out. Clean up your historical costs first. Number 2, thinking it replaces you. AI is just a second set of eyes, not a replacement brain. Always review your estimates. Number 3, rolling it out with no plan. Remember, with everything, you need a clear ownership and a defined process for you and then eventually your project management team. So where is all this headed? The future of estimating is about faster decisions and less guesswork. Soon we'll see AI testing design options and adjusting costs in real time before plans are even finalized. Digital twins will feed live site data back into your estimates. Estimating won't just be about pricing jobs anymore. It'll be a tool for protecting your margins before the job even starts. AI is changing how estimating gets done. It's taking the slow, repetitive work off your plate and giving you more control over your business. If you start now, you can do it the right way. You're not just keeping up, you're putting yourself in a position to win more jobs and run a tighter, more profitable business. If you want to dive deeper into everything that we talked about today, check out the links below in the description. We've linked full guides on AI estimating, takeoffs, and how to grow your contracting business. If you're a residential contractor or remodeler ready to stop wasting time on estimates and start winning more jobs, head over to handoff.ai to see how our platform can automate your workflow today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you for the next one.